Yan na, masasawa na. It's going to be closed today. It's 8:45. Oh, yan na. Sara na. Oh, yan na. Yan na, masasawa na. Look at the lights. They will be closed.
Ubusin lang yung tao.
Dalihan mo na. Don't be late.
Paano?
Mama. Uy, tama na yan. Tama na yan. Tama na yan.
Balik ko kaya itong mga ano.
Tama na yan. Masasawa na.
Daan na, kinain ko na yung dalawa.
Tama na yan. Yung sinasabi niya yung ano, good. Masasawa na daw. 9 p.m.
Parang
Ayun. Look at that.
ano kaya?
It will be closed today. Wow. Okay, what about in there? There was naglilipin na siya. Kuya is still having package. So, yes. Wow, look at the periods now closing just like we did
Papalaman kaya?
before. Here, just like I did before. We don't be late. Don't be late. Magla-lockdown tayo. Saan ka na naman pumunta, Papa? Papa, we're already done. The Pugod Putatan is now closing in 10 minutes. So, dito tayo naabot.
Bapao ka pa sa pagod. Mabilis na ako.
Sabi siya dun sa ano eh. Papa. Ano ba naman? Look, the lights are really off soon. Bakit ang dami? Bakit yung taon-taon?
Pwede na lang bila.
The music is still turned on, but I don't know why. Let me pause the video because it might be copyright. Yeah, look. Look at, how do we call that? Yung parang, the roll up. It will be, kaya bilisan natin.
They will not lock.
Hindi lang revolving. Hindi lang closing. Lipit na sila.
Kaya sarap ng pagod.
Overnight dito. Pang overnight tayo.
Sabi na pala.
Can see it right there. The close. Let me pause again. Lipit na sila, guys. Lipit na sila. Okay, we're out.
Puro ka pabili. Ubusin mo na naman ha. Ubusin mo na naman. At may na naman nakain mo.
This airport will be now closing soon. Look at that. I think they will not remove it because they will know if the people are filming. This one is closed. The left, this left, and this entrance is still open. Right there. there. It's right there. Abot na. Hindi naman naabot na. Uy, may announce. Attention, ibig sabihin, they will be closed now, the Pugot Putatan. Wow, look at that. They will be now closing. People is still there.
Ay, ano, dadali mo na yan? Isa lang to.
Yan na, oh. Nasasawa na, oh.
Kasi ganyan ko eh. Meron pa rin sa...
Bumaba na.
Baba na yata yung bari, ano yun. Sasara, pagsasara.
Sara na. Nadali na naman ako, Nathan.